One time I called my mom when I was a little kid, and I just told her that Uncle Phil from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air died, and it was just a prank. And she got so upset with me when she found out it wasn't true.
You know she went and lit a candle.
Yeah, and because I used to go to my Aunt Eileen's house until my mom got home from work. And then
Which is basically your house just downstairs.
Just downstairs, yeah. And so, but it was two houses in one, and she...
Separated by a neutral staircase.
And I remember my mom getting upset with me as soon as she came in, and she said to me, she's like, why did you lie to me? You said that Uncle Phil from Fresh Prince had died, and you made that up. I was like, sorry, I was just doing a little prank. And then Aunt Eileen, I'll never forget, was smoking a cigarette, and she went, Lynn, he's disturbed.
He's just a disturbed kid.
He's disturbed.
Christopher, you're disturbed.
Disturbed, and I would always walk upstairs with a half-eaten thing of saltine crackers and Arizona iced tea.
Now, my question to you is, on what step were you out of her house?
So maybe when you started to see the light of the skylight, you were out. You were out of the darkness of downstairs and into the light of upstairs.
Once you got onto like the 9th step, you could turn around and just be like, you can still hear me, but I'm not in your house.
Yeah.
I'm in my house.
I'm safe here.
I'm safe here.
Yeah. And if you come up any further up the stairs, my mom will throw a half polished off bottle of White Zinfandel at your head.